In this video, you'll learn how to offer free shipping on eBay. This guide explains how to create or edit a listing to include free shipping, which can enhance your listing's appeal to potential buyers. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Sell section located on the top menu of the page. Here, you can either choose to create a new listing or select an existing product listing that you wish to edit. Scroll down until you reach the shipping section where delivery options are configured. This is the area where you will define your shipping costs and services, making it essential for setting up free shipping. Next, within the shipping options, you will need to select the shipping service you wish to use for your listing. In the cost field, look for the option that allows you to offer free shipping. Selecting this option means that the shipping cost will be included in the item price rather than being added separately. It is crucial to review the shipping method and the estimated delivery time displayed, as clear shipping details help buyers understand the offer. Ensure that the cost is confirmed to be set to free. After you have updated the shipping settings, take a moment to review the entire listing for accuracy. Verify that the free shipping option is displayed correctly within the shipping details. This ensures that buyers see this attractive offer. Once you are satisfied with the information provided, save the changes if you are editing an existing listing, or publish the listing if you are creating a new one. Buyers will now see that the item includes free shipping, which can significantly increase visibility and improve your chances of making a sale. Remember to consider the implications of including shipping costs in your item price, as this may affect your overall pricing strategy. Additionally, if you are dealing with large or heavy items, factor in how this might influence your pricing and shipping method. Once the listing is active, the process is complete, and your listing will be ready for potential buyers to view. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.